How does the German government play into sentiment? You finally have a government in place. Is that one of the reasons that we're not seeing a big drop on the concerns about trade wars?
I don't think the formation of the government has a big influence here. Clearly, there was uncertainty about, whether there would be a government. But what the government now does is not revolutionary. There is an increase in spending in some areas, but there is also a growing tax burden. So the overall balance of the public budget doesn't change. It's not like the German fiscal policy is becoming more expansionary or anything. So the impact on the current economic situation is very limited, I would say. It's really more about the trade war here.
Well, let me ask you to maybe speculate or extrapolate your results. Are we looking at maybe an index and a sentiment that has peaked, and we're now going to see it slowly start to decline? Have we gotten to the best that we're going to get out there?
That's very difficult to say. We see some sectors in the German economy, in particular domestic sectors, that are strong. Construction, for instance, is at a record high. So here demand is still strong. And we also see a worldwide recovery. So not just a recovery in the Eurozone, we see worldwide improving business conditions. So the outlook, I would say, is still positive, and we might return to even higher levels. But the danger looming here is really the trade war. So if it comes to a major trade conflict, that may change things. But I think we're not there yet. And especially the European governments are now trying to talk to the US government and try and avoid a major conflict. Of course, the Chinese situation is also tricky. China is a very important market for the European exports as well. So there is a risk that we may get into difficulties from that side. But I wouldn't say the situation has peaked necessarily. There is a risk, but things may still go well and turn to the better.